Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are filming the March kit lineup. I don't have any foil to go with these. I just wanted to share the kits that I'm using. So let's jump straight on in. So from the 3rd of March to the 9th of March I am using this blue birthday kit. I made this one up myself. So you won't find this in the shop. This is just a random one I have made. If you want it in the shop, let me know, but it won't be in this format. So you get the 9 full boxes. You get an extra box here and the washies. Just wanted to pick this one just because it's my nephew's birthday, so that's why I've got this one. And yeah, I might actually bring it to the shop actually, but yeah, you've got all these little headers here. These are actually little boxes, just like little headers and stuff. Your extra boxes, your fancy boxes, your icons and scripts. Go back to that, and then you also in here have these little bits. Some of them I won't be using, but I'll probably just destash them, to be honest, like I normally do. That way. So that's the 3rd to the 9th of March. I don't have really any particular reason for these other kits except I've needed to use them. The 10th to the 16th of March I'm using a kit called Candy. Don't know if this has been formatted or reformatted, but that's okay. I hope some of them I still do have, because some of them I don't, and it's kind of annoying. So this one here is all about the lollies, so a bit of a different theme in March. So you got your pattern boxes, your pattern and solid. You've got the quarter boxes. I don't know how I feel about that actually. That'll do, maybe. Half boxes. I do not feel okay with that. The, you know the drift. I absolutely love these colours. I think they are so beautiful. I know it's not really an autumn theme, but meh. Absolutely beautiful. I love the bottom washi there. And then just these, you know, the huge in the colours. So just something to break up with the oranges and things, because apparently the week after I have an orange kit. So this one is called Autumn Leaves, and it's the 17th to the 23rd of March. There you go. Beautiful, beautiful kit. I think I'm also use this one every year, but I honestly cannot help myself. You guys will see the foils and colours and things I pick to go with the kits when I do the kits. Okay, alright, I was going to be like, excuse me. This one is a little bit out of whack here. Okay, whatever, let's just go. That's the boxes. As you know, you've got the, again, out of whack. You've got the quarter boxes, so this one was reformatted. Pattern quarter boxes, pattern half boxes, solid quarter boxes, solid half boxes. And then you've got your icons and glitters. Just love this kit. I love that brown as well. Such a beautiful, beautiful kit. I'm not really sure why I picked the 2 browns, but oh well. Perfect for a little quote if you would like. And then the extras. So absolutely love this. Such a pretty, pretty kit. So amazing. The next one is the 24th of March to the 30th of March. Actually, I'm just going to have a quick check, just because sometimes I might get things Alright, this one is called Galaxy 3, and it's just a really beautiful... Oh, I have an idea. Ooh, okay. Just a really beautiful kit that you can use anything with. So this one is not reformatted, but that is fine. I'll probably format it later anyway. Love the pastelness to this kit. It's just absolutely amazing. Beautiful, love them. Such a cute little kit. Perfect. And those are those. So that is Galaxy 3. And the last kit for March, which is a little bit odd because there's only like one more day in March, but starts with March. So we have the kit Bright 90, and this is what the kit looks like. Just love the colours in this, especially the purple and the blue. And this one is not reformatted. Such an amazing colour kit. Just perfect. I don't really know what foil I'd be pairing with it, but I'm feeling a silver for sure. And then all of these little things. So yeah, that at the moment is the kit lineup. We will see what happens when I go to plan actual days. But yeah, I am really happy with these. Okay, I don't know what I was doing, but anyway. Not that consistent. Alright, so yeah, if you guys have any recommendations of kits, please let me know. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!